fucking pole. You fuck around and get pulled.
Wagwan everybody, it's your girl Jordyn. I'm back again with another video. This video is a crochet ponytail video. I really like this hairstyle. It's easy, it takes 30 minutes. So let's start right with it. Now we're gonna take a paddle brush just to brush out your hair, the naps and stuff like that. And we're gonna take a hard brush also because I have like some thick roots, and your girl get a little nappy up in the edges, in the back of my head and the side. I got back edges that need to be combed out. So now I'm using the Eco Styler gel. What is it? The black flaxseed gel. And I'm putting that around my hair because, just to smooth some of that out. And this hairstyle, I've been inspired by Increase My Peace. Her video is down below. I'll link it down below. But she did a little more natural version. And I like my hair to be sleek, so I'm just doing the sleeker version for y'all. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, so we're just going to continue just sleeking the Eco Styler gel throughout my hair. And next, we're just going to be taking that hard brush. Okay, sleek. What? We're going to take that hard brush, baby, and we're going to sleek it. And we're just going to keep doing this until I succeed my sleek point. Okay. Well, I just relaxed my hair. If you have not seen that video, go look at my last video. Next, we're going to be taking Got To Be glue. We're taking the black one because everybody likes the black one. Okay, so we're just going to do that around my hair. I don't like really putting a lot of Got To Be glue around my hair. Now, if I had Gorilla Glue, that would have been perfect, but I can't find it, so this is what we're going to have to do. But you can use either or, Gorilla Glue or Got To Be glue, or any gel that worked for your hair. But I like to wear my hairs for days, so aka me lazy. So we're just going to select that also, slickety slick slack. Wow, that was so corny. Don't even. So yeah, we're just gonna slick. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more hair videos. I'm gonna start making more hair videos for short and medium hair. I just cut my hair, so it's it's a struggle out here, And then we're going to take a ponytail holder, aka a scrunchie, and we're going to put some Got To Be glue, freeze spray. I'm telling you, this freeze spray is bomb. Then again, it's not, okay? So we're going to slick that. I did my edges. You could do your edges if you want to, but I wanted to do my edges. I'm sorry that I'm talking a lot. Wow. And as you know, everybody has that struggle of just having a ponytail holder. And even scrunchies, you can't even find scrunchies around the house. They just walk around and all the extra stuff. But we're going to twist the hair into a bun. You could twist it either way, but I'm just being lazy at this point because I have my hair thick. We're just going to keep twisting, and we're going to put a lot of ponytail holders. And I put a bobby pin in my hair because the back of my hair is short too. So now we're going to do mumble rod twist. We could do any curly crochet hair. I just had this in store. It was $2.99 at my local beauty supply store. So we're just going to crochet through. All you have to do is just make a circle, then bring one of the pieces that I'm doing into the circle, and bam. That's how you do it, sis. It's easy peasy lemon squeezy. So I like to separate the curls. I don't really like big old curls on my hair or whatever, but I'm going to separate those, and I'm going to continue to do it. Bam. See, it looks nice already. I like my hair I like my ponytail long. Wow. And that is it of how I did this hairstyle. Make sure you subscribe, turn on post notifications, and yeah.